What are your thoughts on just, my sales team is happy to email people quotes, and then they wonder why they're not getting a response.
Yeah.
I have advocated that they present the quotes over the phone or in person.
I'm fine with emailing the quote if it sounds like this. Yeah, for sure. Hey, Will, give me a couple minutes. I'm going to put the quote together, and then what's the best number for me to call you once I hit send on that quote? Right? Like I think there's a balance between I'm going to hold your hand, I'm not going to show you my numbers unless we walk through it together. That tells me that I either A, think that you're not mature enough to look at a quote, or B, I'm hiding some stuff in there and I want to make sure I show it to you so I can be like, don't look over here, right? But what I don't want to do is go, cool, I'll email you the quote, right? I'd be like, hey, I'm going to shoot you over the quote, and then what's the best number for me to call you once I hit send on that? And then calling them, hey, as promised, I just sent over the quote, would love to go through it with you together. We have to give them that option. If we force it, it just makes us look way too guilty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. You work in sales and I'm going to give you $300. I'm not kidding. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective coaching in the world for sales professionals like you. And right here, right now, for a few of you, I'm going to pay the $300 for you to get the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more. You're going to have more fun. You're going to get a lot more done in your career. Click the link right here, right now. I will give you my closing mini masterclass for free. I'm covering the $300 cost. Click now. I'll see you on the other side.